Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to verify your X account and your age on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is open your X account, or formerly known as Twitter, and then from here you're going to make sure that you are on the home page. From here you're going to go to the top left section where it is your profile picture, and then from here you're going to scroll down until you see support and settings, and then settings and privacy. From here, you're going to scroll down to see security and account access, and then you're going to click again on security. And as you can see, currently right here, you can see ID verification, where you can upload an approved form of identification to confirm the authenticity of your account. But for you to be able to do that, you're going to have access to X Premium. And to do so, you can subscribe to X Premium right here once you go back. And so from here, you can upgrade, and from here, you can see all the options. So you have basic, normal, premium, and then premium plus. And as you can see, once you go to premium and scroll down, you can see verification and security are checked both here, but in the normal version they are not. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.